The lightly armored Humvee is a good transport vehicle for fast transportation of troops, as the vehicle offers good mobility, speed with some protection. But as this Humvee got struck by a kamikaze drone on the side, it didn't seem to bother it much, being able to keep going despite the clean hit on the side. But as the problematic day wasn't over for this Humvee, Russian artillery spotted it and called in a strike. But as Russia's artillery and multiple launcher rocket systems are used as area covering weapons, they rely on mass to hit its target. But even with more than 15 rocket strikes, the Humvee wasn't hit, being able to keep going to finish its mission, letting it fight for another day. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.